All right, time to leave this wonderful spot. Apparently you can stay here for a very long time. This reminds me of Catches Lake out in Washington. If you guys have never been there, go check it out if you guys like camping, but I'll show you kind of what I mean. This whole area is a giant reservoir. I'm assuming in the earlier season it's filled with water, but tons of camping spot around here. You can basically park anywhere, probably like these guys. I don't know if you can tell, but right behind them are 2 vans, and then right next to me is a ton of campfires. But anyways, time to head out the spot, and then I'm gonna slowly make my way down to Utah. I gotta go pick up a package. But before then, I think I want to check out a hot spring. I mean, right now it's 81 degrees, so it's not really ideal for a hot spring, but this place looks really cool. It reminds me of kind of like Iceland a little bit for some reason. But anyways, time to head out. How these drone batteries just sit here perfectly while it's charging. Just checked out Lava Hot Spring. It was super nice seeing how I haven't showered in like 4 or 5 days since I've been out in the Tetons and Yellowstone. If you guys are in the area, check out Lava Hot Spring. It's actually a really cool spot. It's getting fairly late and I kind of want to arrive at camp right before sunset, so I'm going to go and see if I can find some camp. Just arrived at camp right just before sunset, which is nice. It's always nice to arrive at camp early. This is cool, since the sun is setting right here, it's causing some like light rays along these trees. Anyways, looks like it's just some BLM land that I found. I seriously gotta get a car wash. Someone got stuck up in the Tetons and you can kind of see the aftermath of it. I think what I'm gonna end up doing is probably watch UFC. See you up in the tent. So I usually like to watch any like sporting events, so UFC, basketball, whatever it is, upstairs in the tent because it's more comfortable. There's a lot of airflow coming in and it's like netted, because if I were to watch it in the car, if I roll down my window, all the bugs would come in. So I'm actually gonna do some edits as well, just because I've been falling behind on a bunch of edits, such as this video right here. I actually lied, I did 0 edits that day. But anyways, back to the video. Here's my upstairs setup. So I have the iPad that goes up here, and then all my work soon to be done right here. Not really much of a view, but super nice, super quiet. So officially just left Idaho. I'm on my way to Utah right now. I'll see you guys when I get there. So this is a park with free water and it's a potable water. This is a perfect spot for me to refill up the water jug that I have, and probably the water port as well. I'm gonna go fill it up. So I think it's time to get a car wash. I haven't got one in, obviously, in a couple weeks. Time to go find a car wash. All right, so if you guys are ever curious on how you get packages on the road, places like FedEx will allow you to hold your package at their location. If it's not FedEx, it could be USPS. You can ask them to hold your package, and yeah, that's kind of how you do it. The sender will have to select the option to make it available to hold it. So if you contact whoever's sending you stuff, you can ask them to make that an option. So I'm over here at FedEx. That's actually the whole purpose why I came down to Utah, was to do this, to pick up the package, and after this I will be out to Colorado. I'm gonna head out to 4runner Lifestyle. I gotta pick up some new taillights because I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but one of my taillights has been broken. But yeah, I reached out to them on Instagram. I'm also gonna get a tour of the whole place as well, so which is gonna be really dope. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get there. So I'm over at 4runner Lifestyle right now. I just picked up a pair of taillights and just getting ready to install them. So this is kind of what we're working with right now. Just picked off the passenger side and then the driver's side. The driver's side is actually the one that I wanted to replace, but I might as well replace all of them. So they've been kind enough to dispose of the old ones. One of the cool things about these taillights, or just the 4runner taillights, is that they're super easy to take off. They're just two 10mm screws, and then that's it.
They actually they make a kit to both the US plates on a Japanese car because they're actually different length of bolt holes. And then they have just this like big cover to open the back. I know like on the newer ones they have buttons for it.
Sherpa
And the Prinsu was one of their top.
yeah.
Okay, so just left 4runner Lifestyle's warehouse. Shout out to Andrew who gave me a tour of the whole place. Slowly making my way to Colorado. I'm gonna head out about 45 minutes to see if I can find some camp within like some sort of national forest, and then slowly make my way there. But yeah, shout out to Andrew who hooked me up with a bunch of stickers from 4runner Lifestyle.